Go over what Kim Kardashian has done with herself. Now, if you compare her at 27 from earlier years, I suspect she's had a rhinoplasty done because the hump of her nose is much less than it was years ago. And the humps usually get larger. So she did maintain some of her ethnicity by keeping a little bit of a hump there. I also believe she's had breast augmentation. I think both were very tastefully done at this time. Her cheeks look a little fuller. She might have had cheek implants, or she may have fillers done. I think also very tastefully done. Now, along the way, she's had Botox treatments. She has no wrinkles on her face. Skin shines. I think she's had great skincare. These things make your skin look younger, can help improve lines and wrinkles, especially with Botox and fillers. 29. It looks like she's had some filler to her lip. She has a little bit of a lip flip there when she's starting it. And if you look at her younger years, upper lip looks a little smaller. So as we age, the upper lip gets smaller, it doesn't get larger. So I suspect she's had a little bit of a filler here. 32. Some of the pictures to me look like her waist got smaller and her hips got rounder. So I believe she got her waist snatched, possibly with liposuction, and then had some of that fat grafted in her buttocks and along the sides. Age 33 in 2013, her tip of her nose looks more refined, slightly upward in rotation. So I believe she's had a revision rhinoplasty done. In 2014, her forehead looks rounder. She used to have a little bit of a widow's peak, but now that's filled in. I suspect that she probably had a hair transplant done at that time. Around 2019, something interesting. I noticed that the distance between her nose and her lip is a little bit smaller, and she's showing a little bit more of a red of her lip. Now that could be from filler, but I also believe she's had a lip lift, because the lip sags as we age, covers the teeth more. If you can see, she has a little bit more teeth show, so I suspect she's probably had a lip lift at that time. 41, she's looking a little more sculpted. I believe she's possibly had an endoscopic facelift and possibly buccal fat pad removal. You can see she has that really sculpted look there. I think she's getting a little more filler to her lips. Her lips are looking a little more even, which, once again, the upper lip gets smaller as we age. It doesn't get larger. And then up to date here in 2024, I don't really see many changes. I think she's had great procedures. I think she's had great results. And I think it was very tastefully done. But I think she's investing a lot in keeping herself look young and youthful. And why not? She can afford to do it. And, that's how she makes money.